All right, so question 3 on the practice exam. 3, okay, so what is the chief product of the reaction of iodobromide, I think is the name, I'm not 100% sure, with 2-methyl 2-pentene. So we draw out the molecule of 2-methyl 2-pentene. And it's reacting with iodobromide. So step 1 of the mechanism. This is a dihalide addition to an alkene. Alright, so when I rewrote the molecule for the mechanism, I wrote in the hydrogens, so I would know which molecule had the most hydrogens, because this is going to follow the Markovnikov addition rule. But this time, instead of hydrogen, it's iodine, right? And bromine. Now, the way it seems to me it works is this. So, iodine acts like hydrogen because it is less electronegative. So IBr acts like HBr, with iodine being the less electronegative and hydrogen being the less electronegative. So the pi bond from the alkene acts like a nucleophile, donates 2 proteins to the iodine, which breaks its bond with the bromine. The bromine cuts off. This is the slow step. So we get the iodine attaches to the carbon that had the most hydrogens, right? Following Markovnikov's addition, allowing the carbocation to be formed at the third degree carbon, so that it would be the most stable. We don't need to worry about methanide shift or anything. It's already at a third degree carbocation, so nothing like that's going to happen. And then, of course, we have the negative bromine anion that broke off over here. So then we have step 2. So the bromine is going to add, and it can add to either side, because this is a trigonal planar carbocation. It's flat, so it can go from the A side, or go from the top, or it can go from the bottom. And the question is it going to create one molecule or two? Is it going to create enantiomers or what? We'll look at it. This carbon is attached to methyl. It's attached to 2 carbons that are exactly to 2 groups that are the same. So it can't form enantiomers. Enantiomers can only be formed by carbons that are attached to 4 different groups. Or maybe not only. I think there's, I don't know. Only is probably not the best word to use in this world. But I would say most commonly. So the bromine attaches, only one molecule is going to form in this reaction. It's going to attach. And then the molecule that's formed is going to be called 2 bromo, 3 iodo, 2 methyl pentane, and that is answer A on the practice exam.